Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Ford Transit back door. To begin, locate the exterior handle on the right rear door of your van. Pull this handle firmly towards you to unlatch the door mechanism. Once it's unlatched, gently swing the door open to access the cargo area. This initial step provides basic access to your van's interior, allowing you to load or unload smaller items with ease. To achieve a wider opening and full access, you'll need to open the left rear door. Step inside the cargo area and locate the interior release lever, typically found on the left door's inner edge. Push this lever firmly to disengage the secondary latch mechanism. With the latch released, you can now swing the left door open, providing significantly more space for larger items or much easier loading and unloading. For maximum access, you can extend the doors to a full 270 degrees. On the edge of each door, locate the small door stay release button. Press this button to release the door from its 90-degree stop. Then, gently push the door further outwards until it latches securely into the 270-degree open position, providing complete unobstructed access to your cargo space. When you're ready to close the back doors, start by gently pulling the left door shut first. Then, bring the right door towards the left, ensuring both doors latch securely into place. Give them a slight push to confirm they are fully closed and locked. Always verify the doors are completely secured before driving for safety and to prevent any cargo from shifting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.